Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Koko if you didn't know. And today I'm looking like the Cheshire Cat because I'm doing like an Alice in Wonderland DIY. Obviously, you don't have to do the Alice in Wonderland version if that doesn't suit you. But the thing that I'm doing combines two of my favorite things when it comes to DIYing things, practicality and cuteness. And it is something that almost anyone who uses hair ties or bobby pins is gonna love because literally I know I'm not the only person who buys millions of these and still has like none. So I'm gonna show you guys something that will help you keep track of them, and you could use it as a decor or just something to help you like organize. So yeah, what you will need to get started is just simply a bottle, and you could use any type of bottle, alcoholic, whatever. For me, since I'm trying to make mine look like the Drink Me bottle in Alice in Wonderland, I just use a Snapple. And then what you do, you clean it out. Make sure to clean it really good and make sure it dries really good, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bobby pins inside of that, and if it's not completely dry, then since the bobby pins are metal, they're totally gonna rust, and then like it's gonna look nasty and not cute, and then you're gonna mess up your bobby pins. So make sure you let it dry, and then after I'll show you what we'll do. It is so easy. It's barely even a DIY. You just clean the bottle and there you go. Boom, instant life hack. Okay, so here's my bottle, and like I said, you literally just take your bobby pins and plop them on in there. All right, in the next step, you just take your hair ties and then you put it around the bottle, and that's literally all. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and if you end up actually doing this, I would love to see like what you created, so you could post it on Instagram and then do like hashtag DIY Koko, and it's Koko with 2 Ks. And yeah, that's all. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.